Hi friends, Haley here, and thank you for joining me for 5-minute yoga. Today we're going to get into our lungs, open up our chest, and clear out everything that's been suffocating us. So please join me at the top of your mat in a standing position. Bring your feet together, root the heels down into the ground, point the tailbone down, shoulders back, tuck the chin, and breathe. On your inhale, rise the hands up. And exhale, swan dive down to a forward fold. Take a few breaths here. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Do a few more of these on your own. You can bend your knees as much as you need to. When you're ready, step back to downward dog. Hold here a moment, finding your foundation. You can bend your knees back and forth. Open up the hips a little bit. Press the armpits towards the ankles. Really think about opening up that chest. Breathe deep. On your inhale, raise one foot to the sky. And exhale, step forward between the hands. Lower the back knee to low lunge. You can keep the toes flexed or pointed wherever you're comfortable. Rise up. And inhale, cactus the arms. Bend the back. Open the chest. Inhale up. Again. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more times. On your exhale, bring the hands to the ground. Straighten the front leg, bend the back knee. Raise the front toes to the sky for half split. Keeping the shoulders back. Shoulders back. Spine straight. Try not to arch over the knee. We're extending towards the toes. And breathe. Bend the front knee. Gently coming out of the pose, you can flip your toes and kick the leg back. Lower to the ground, and switch legs. Other leg up. Step forward between the hands. Lower the back knee, flip the foot. Rise into low lunge. And cactus breath 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and last one. Exhale, bring the hands to sandwich the foot. Bend the front knee, or straighten the front knee, bend the back knee, and bring the toes to the sky. Remember to extend towards the toes, keeping the spine straight, square hips. You want to take this hip from the front leg and pull it backwards. See how that changes the stretch. Just see how much progress you make with each breath. Release the leg, coming forward, hands to either side of the foot. Kick back to 3-legged dog. And lower the leg. Come forward to a plank. Gently lower the knees to the ground. And then the chest. Coming fully prone onto the belly. Place the hands right by the armpits. And we'll do a few cobras. So draw the shoulder blades down the back, press the tops of the feet into the floor, gently push back, lifting your shoulders and your chest with your back muscles. Should be most of the effort in your back. You should be able to raise your hands if you want to. And down. 2 more baby cobras. Inhale. Exhale, release. 1 more. Inhale. Exhale, release. This time bring the hands out to the side of the mat. Roll the shoulder blades down the back. Inhale, cobra, taller and more extreme. And exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, release. And 1 more. Exhale, release. Return the hands to the side of the chest. Push back, bending the knees to child's pose. Knees wide, chest between the knees, toes to touch. Place the forehead on the mat. You can roll it back and forth, massaging your third eye, or just holding still and taking a moment for yourself. Gently push yourself back to sitting. Thank you so much for joining me today for this wonderful cleansing flow. Go forth and breathe. Thank you so much. Namaste.